All right, this is the store that I was originally coming here for. ADMSKI. It was really hard to find. Don't follow Google. Don't follow what Google says because it's wrong. I'm looking for a Tomica Limited vintage Porsche that just came out. Got a lot of Tomica cars here. Might as well look inside. This store is so cool. Whoa, look at this just from the outside. Some Dragon Ball Z stuff. Just old school vintage toys, I think. Got some gotcha. Got some of these Mexican wrestling masks. It's almost 200 bucks. Whoa, they got some old school wrestling. Oh, it said Japanese wrestling. Yeah, it looks like Japanese wrestling. Got Hulk Hogan. Oh, just kicked something. Got some old school hats. I'm guessing these are like Japanese brands. I don't know, they look so old school. These are probably Japanese brands, maybe. Seattle? It's 100 bucks. Alright. Is this also the store? Maybe that's the exit. We're gonna do like a full tour of this place. And we're going in. This huge Ultraman. Whoa. I'm going back in time. What the heck? Look at this PlayStation. Got some PlayStation here. 10 bucks. Some old school Super Nintendo. Got some old school cups. I think they're secondhand as well. Oh. These toys. I don't even know where to begin. There's a lot of so many things here. It's really overwhelming. I haven't been this overwhelmed in a while. It's like so many things that I don't know about in just like one place. I don't even know what to look at. This one is Doraemon. They got some old school Buzz Lightyear toys. Wow, that's so cool. 2,500. Kinda want that. These are the same things. I wonder why. Maybe the condition? Oh my gosh. This Buzz Lightyear toy. Look at this Mickey Mouse. Got some Barbies here. Oh, wow. This is Captain America. They got some Spawn toys. I remember Spawn. I used to have Spawn. Wish they were not playing this music here. I could just go on all the way. Stop pausing these videos. They got Ninja Turtles. Oh, it's still in its box for $10. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Whoa, that's so cool. I used to have this this truck that this bus that they have. I think I had this one, this exact one. It's only $10. I kind of want to get it. Some Simpsons here. Back to the Future. Never had that toy. Oh my gosh. This place doesn't end. Some Japanese toys here. Some motorcycles. Oh my gosh. This place is... Gosh, this is huge. Star Wars. Star Wars. I used to have a lot of Star Wars toys actually. Yoda. Godzilla toys here. Milestone. We got a lightsaber here. Whoa. All this cool stuff. It's a little too small for me. Whoa. Some more toys over here. They got Doraemon, some old school. This girl, the milky candy lady, little girl. All these cool cars. Look at this bicycle with the little gears. All these old school bicycles. Look at this. They got a little. This is a bicycle, I believe. Look at all these toys here. Whoa. Bicycle. Usually these stores are in Denden Town, but this one is pretty big. I think this is bigger than any of the ones in Denden. Nah, there are big ones in Denden Town though. We're gonna go there after this. Maybe I'll make it in a separate video though. There's some trains, some cars. And make sure look everywhere. Wow. Alright, here's some just old model Star Wars stuff. Some cars, motorcycles, Lamborghinis. They got this little scooter. Alright, they got vintage everything. Vintage instruments, CDs, VCRs? I forget even what they're called. Cassette players. Oh my gosh. Guns N' Roses here. This place is crazy. Alright, so I thought this door is connected, but maybe it's by itself, so I think this is just by itself right here. A bunch of gachas. I think it's part of the store though, but it's not connected. They got a bunch. Oh, they got pineapple pen guy. They have a bunch of signed balls. Maybe for like Japanese players. They're not worth much though. They're like worth like $15. Got this machine here. Got some cards, some gloves and stuff like that. But that's it. That's pretty much it. Wow, they have a place where they have seals. They said children under elementary school age is not allowed to enter the store for safety. But where is the store? Maybe upstairs? Wow, they have seals. Seals here. No, otters. I'm sorry, not seals. Otters. Alright, so I'm on my way to Denden Town. Here's the maid cafe inside of there. A lot of guys inside. This place is interesting. People smoking here on the side. It's always interesting walking around this area. You always find interesting stuff around here. Alright, I don't know what this is. Some sort of card game place. We're not gonna go in. I'm on a mission right now. I'm gonna go to Joshin. Joshin is Kittyland maybe? Joshin Super? This is where all like the maid cafes are, I think. I've never been to one, but this is where it is. There's some girls coming out. Alright. Alright, so there's some shops here. There's some girls out here on the street giving out flyers for these cafes. A lot of these girls out here, they're out and about. I don't know what they're talking about. They're always just like they're very nice though, these girls. There's probably just like college students trying to make a buck, and you always see like nice, it's like old guys talking. What is it? Look at this electric. Guys prepared. Alright, so I've been to some of these places here before, but I'm trying to find something, so I'm gonna go to Joshin. There's some more girls over here on the side giving out flyers. Wow, there are a lot out right now. I'm guessing that business is not good ever since the pandemic. I don't even know how they would how it even, yeah, I feel like a lot of these businesses are gonna go out. There's like a vending machine with some cards too. I saw a guy today, he was wearing heels and he was wearing a Trump t-shirt. It's really weird. There's more down the street as well, but we're gonna go somewhere. Hobby Station. Well, I've never seen this store before. It's some sort of outlet store. I think it's new. They just made it up here. And a bunch of stuff here. So I'm very interested in what it looks like. But it's just, I think it's just a bunch of anime stuff here. This store's always really busy. It's like a magic card place where people can go and play maybe and buy cards. And this is new, I think. I've never seen this one before last time. Alright, so this is the big anime store. And then when I was walking along, there's a dog in that pouch. There's a lot more maid cafe girls down this street. And there's another huge anime store. But I'm kind of getting distracted. I'm trying to go to Joshin. So we're on our way there. Alright. Alright, I got this store, Joshin Kids Land. We're gonna just be in here real quick. I've done a full tour before. It's in somewhere. It's in one of the Osaka videos. If you really want to see the full tour, just let me know and I'll leave a link in the comments down below. Yeah, I've done a full tour, so I'm gonna go where I'm what I'm looking for. All right, I think this is the fourth floor. They got all the good stuff here. This place is just filled with places. Look at this place. Got so many crazy stuff here. It's crazy. I'm looking for one thing here. Looking for these Tomica cars here. And I'm looking for a Porsche. I think that's it. That's all they have. Got a lot of stuff here. Look at this stuff. Wow. 300 bucks. Maybe like 250. This one's $300. Yeah, I don't think they have what I'm looking for, but it's okay. Still came up here. Just check it out real quick. These smaller cars here. They even got airplanes. Whoa, look at these. These are nice. Some Lamborghinis. These are all like 200 bucks. These are definitely not for kids. I mean, they can be for kids. But if you see here, all the people up here are adults. You don't see any kids up here. They've either probably left their kids at school or they don't have kids. Oh, these are nice. All 300 bucks. RWBs. Oh, these Land Cruisers are nice too. Alright, I'm gonna look around. For if they have what I was looking for, and then we'll be out of here real quick. Alright, so I bought these vintage Porsche. These just came out. I bought them for like $23 each. Came out to like 45 bucks. And I finally found these. Alright, so that's it for me for today. Thank you for letting me know about these cars, Hanyu, and giving me some knowledge about Tomica cars. I used to just buy like the regular ones, but I wanted to actually buy some cars that are of value and maybe possibly go up in price. So I bought those two cars, and hopefully they'll just be in my collection. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. Please, if you you haven't yet, if you find it in your heart to please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs, and I think I'm at almost 500 now. I should be at 500 by the time this video releases, but just thank you for all the supporters that have been here and just supporting me all the way through, and thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.